Hello and welcome to another update video about gold. We're looking here at the gold futures chart, and the idea remains that price rallied off the February low in a wave 1 to the upside in April. We can count that as an impulse, and then an ABC structure here to the downside in obviously with an overshooting B wave, basically a flat pattern in which the C wave is still unfolding. The idea was now in the last few videos that we're going to make another low because we obviously had a double bottom here. They do normally not hold, and because price did break below the 1937 level, that it would be quite likely to retest or to test at least 1907. That is the golden ratio, the 61.8 retracement, and if one retracement level breaks, typically we're going to visit the next one, and that is at 1907. If we break below that, I think we have a good chance to find support, at least temporary, here at this descending trend line, and a break below that would send us to 1865. These are the three next support levels that I see. We have a little bit of structural support here in this region, around the golden ratio and that trend line. And what I can tell you is that a break below 1865 would not be good. In this case, if we see that coming, I would shift away from my view that this is still a bullish structure. At the moment, I'm viewing this as a 1-2, 1-2 setup, with a wave 2 obviously being in the making now. Looking at support here at the moment, and price did get into the region, which is good. This is typically the area that you want price to get into in a wave 2. It's now coming quite deep, but that is not necessarily a problem. The golden ratio is not too deep for a wave 2, but if it breaks below the 78.6 retracement level, then we have an ABC structure or even WXY, and I would need to turn bearish, and will then most likely revisit the October 22 lows and maybe even go lower. But until then, we're holding bullish support, and in this region, reward is high and risk is low. Also, if we take a look at the daily chart, let me zoom in. Looking at the daily chart, it is now nearly oversold on the daily time frame. Whenever that happened before, at least recently, we had quite substantial turning points. The oversold region, that was here in September 22 and in February 23. Here we also, this was not a real turning point back in July 22, but it was still a rally which led to a gain of around about 8.5%. And then we had various examples before that in August 21 that also led to a significant rally. So we're nearly there. I think it can still drop a little lower. I have no confirmation that a low is in place at this stage. So we still need that confirmation, and I cannot give you that at this stage. We have a possible descending wedge here, which is fairly well defined actually. And I would say a break above it would be a first indication that the trend is shifting. So really just a quick update here at the moment about gold. We could be here in the sort of last waves of this fifth wave, but until we see an impulse on a smaller time frame to the upside, I cannot confirm to you that price is bottomed, and the short-term time frame is, or the short-term trend really is down at the moment, and we need to see a reversal signal before getting active here. Keep you updated. So I hope you liked the update about gold. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.